guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install the best, the smoothest Switch emulator on your Windows PC, which is Eden Emulator. So Eden is one of the best Switch emulator in 2026 that can help you to emulate Switch games on your PC, on your Mac, on your Linux computer, and also even on Android phones. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So first, just open your browser, and in the YouTube description of this video you can navigate to the first link. So basically you have three links down below. Go to the first link, and this link will bring you to an Eden official website for you to download Eden. So okay, basically this is the link, eden-emu.dev. So this is the official website of Eden. If you just Google Eden, you will get a lot of results, and a lot of them are fake links. So just go with the link in the description. So this is the official page, and before we start, we can read about the system requirements first. So this is the system requirements for PC, which is like an Intel Core i5. So you can just read through this and see that if your computer meets with these requirements, so that it can run Eden smoothly. So you have all of these graphics requirements and Android, and your RAM. Okay, so basically it's just like this. And next, we can also look at the compatibility list of these games. So these are the games that are tested by the community, and it is compatible, like they can run perfect on Eden Emulator. So you can see this before you launch your game. So now let's download it, right? We are here to download, so click on download, and you have 4 different platforms: Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android. Let's just click on Windows here. Click on the download button, and you'll be brought to this website. So now it is the latest version of Eden, and you can just scroll down, and this is a Linux. Windows, okay, so we are looking for Windows platform, right? Now just click on the first bar, AMD 64/x84 x86. So this is the Windows platform. You can just click on the msvc.zip file, click on it, and now just wait for the file to download. Okay, so next, okay, so now we have this file, the zip file is downloaded. So now click on it, and you will see there are a few files and a folder here. So just go back to downloads, and now right click on it, click extract all, and extract it. So this will have a new folder here, and it will just have all the files inside. So this is the Eden file. This is the Eden executable file. That's the application file that we need for it to launch Eden. So I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for Eden now. Just right click on it, more options, and now click on create shortcut. And for your convenience, I'm just going to drag it, go to the desktop. So I will have a desktop shortcut here. Okay, so we have downloaded Eden. So if you try to run it, double click and click run. So you have an error message here, like the decryption keys are missing, install them now. So decryption keys, we haven't installed it. So basically you need these keys and a firmware for the Switch. So you can just use Eden Emulator to emulate a Switch. So I'm just click on X and close Eden now. Now just go back to the YouTube video, and the description box you have a second link and a third link there. So there are a total of 3 links. First is the Eden website. The second link, we have prod keys, which is here, and the third link you have a firmware. So basically just 3 links. So for information, if you don't get this page out of the Eden website, or you cannot find it, or the Eden website is inaccessible, maybe it's deleted or anyways, you can just comment in the description box, just comment in the video, and I will just send you a backup link so you can try to download Eden from the backup link. But in this tutorial and the time, the Eden website is still working, so I'm just going to credit for the Eden website. Yeah, okay. So now go to the second link, which is the prod keys. So basically here it returns Yuzu's prod keys. So it's usable for Eden also. It's not only for Yuzu. Okay. So I'm going to download the latest version here, which is 22.1.0. Now click on here to download. Okay, so the prod key is downloaded. Next, just go to the third link, which is the firmware. You need to download the switch firmware. So Yuzu firmware. Okay, scroll down and see the version. We need to have the same version as the prod keys, so 22.1.0. Now click on download. So if you think that this video is very helpful, please subscribe and also give me a like. If you have any questions, just comment in the section. Just comment down below. Yeah, I will just try my best to help you. Okay, so now everything is downloaded. I will just close my browser. Okay, and now go to File Explorer and downloads. So we have our 2 new files here, prod keys and the firmware. So for the prod keys, you need to right click and click on extract all and extract for only the prod keys, so the firmware can just stay the same. Now we can minimize this first, and now we can just open again Eden, double click and run. Okay, so install them now, click on the yes. So now go to downloads and locate the folder prod keys, and you have a prod.keys file here. Click on it and open. So you have a message of decryption keys were successfully installed. Now click on OK, but we haven't installed our firmware, right? Now click on tools. Okay, tools, install firmware, and from a zip. Now downloads, we are going to select the firmware 22.1.0.zip, open it, and you can have this progress bar of installing firmware. Wait until it succeeds and you are good to go. Okay, now click on OK. So you have to double click to add a new folder to the game list. So basically this is just where is your games located. So let me tell you like how Switch games work. So basically every Switch games, like this, for example this game Super Mario Party Jamboree, they have their own dedicated NSP file which contains the game. Okay, so if you are trying to play another game, you can try to Google it yourself and download their NSP file. Okay, I'm not going to show you how to download the Switch game files here because it is quite illegal for me to teach. So you can just Google it or just comment down below, and I believe someone else will help you. Okay, so this is my game file. It's located in downloads. So basically I'm just going to double click and just select our download folder and select folder. So you will have your games here. So if this folder you have a bunch of games here, like Mario Party Superstars like Mario Kart or anything else, The Legend of Zelda or anything else, it will just appears all here. So I have this Super Mario Party Jamboree, and it is an NSP file and have a size of 5.7 GB. So I only have one file. Okay. So before we launch the game, let's us to configure our emulation first. Click on emulation and configure here. Okay, so you have a lot of settings here. So I'm just going to emphasize on the graphics. So for graphics, the API, you can choose Vulkan by default, but if Vulkan is not working for you, you can just always switch to OpenGL, and some games might work. Maybe they have crashes on Vulkan, but they work on OpenGL, so you can just do some experiment on it. And okay, so the resolution, I'm just going to keep as 1x, and just keep the VSync on, and bilinear will be just fine for you. So for the full screen mode, I'll just keep for the borderless window. Okay, so for the controls, so basically it's just like a switch. So you'll have a total of 8 players, and you can add a new player. So how to add a new player? Just navigate to the player 2, click on this checkbox, connect controller, and from here you can see a lot of controller here. Dual Joy-Cons, the Joy-Cons, and also if you have a DualShock or an export controller, you can select it in your input devices, but I only have my keyboard and mouse. I'm just going to use for my keyboard. So I'll just keep with the Pro controller, and you can save a profile and delete it. You can just save your key maps. So let me show you like how to remap your keys. So this is the default keys, but if you want to use it according to your preferences, you can remap it on yourself. For example, how to remap it, right? Just click on, this is the left button, click on the box. Okay, so you have a message here, just click OK, and you have a waiting. So while you are waiting, just click on key. Okay, so click it again, and I'm going to go for an S. Just click on the keys on your controller or on your keyboard, and it will just map it directly. So you need to prevent like having a duplicated keys here. So you can just change it to an C or anything else. Make sure that all of your keys are not duplicated. So these are the basics of how do you maps your keys on the Eden configuration to your computer, keyboards, or like a controller. So I'm just going to keep with one player first. So I'm just uncheck this connect controller, so you can see how many connected here. And after you have set everything, just click on OK here. Okay, so let's run the game, right? Double click on the game to run the game. So now double click on the game to run the game. Double click, and it shall launch the game right now. Okay, so we are in the game, and we can see the splash screen right here, and the game is loading. So I see that the intro screen are just normal, and we are into the game. Okay, so I hope that you can see that the game is running right now, and I'll just try to close Eden right now. I get a quite low graphics on my computer because I don't have a dedicated graphics card. So I hope that you can get a better experience than me. So I hope that you have learned that how to install Eden, and I hope that you can play your favorite games on your PC. So I hope to see you in the next video.